Namaste, my name is Priya. Nearly 4 years ago, one of my friends approached me and said, listen, you work so much with chocolate, why don't you make something that is unique for the festive season and has a concept behind it? So she said, why don't you make a chocolate Ganesha for the festival? And considering how many mixed feelings there are about using an idol post puja and all the rituals that go around it, I was a bit hesitant initially and I made just one for her. But then when I posted it on the social media, there was such a tremendous response for it. And people really loved the concept of having something that's not only zero waste, but almost nothing goes down the drain, like nothing is thrown away from this particular ritual. So the idea of chocolate Ganeshas, of course, is that you do your rituals, you do your pujas, and when your festivities are concluded, so the immersion takes place normally in milk or in water, and you can continue with the immersions as usual if you're doing it with water. But if you are planning to immerse it in milk, then that can go out as prasadam to your neighbors, your friends, and it's a very unique concept. Everybody loves chocolate, so this is not only zero waste, this is almost more zero than zero waste. So I think the concept was really well accepted, which came to me also as a surprise. But I'm happy to say that it's been 4 to 5 years now, and we've been at this, and with the God's blessings this year also we are continuing on the path, and hopefully we'll continue to do so for a long time.